So now what I will do, I will, you can say, now there is a problem, guys. Okay, so if you see here, so there's some problem. Like you can see, this is a, you can say, list of, you can say, dictionaries. Okay, uh, so we don't need that. Actually, we have to handle that problem here. Okay, because like that we cannot, like you can see, use this data set. Okay, so first of all we have to pre-process that, and we have to remove this kinds of bracket from this data set. Okay, so how we can do that, I'll be show you. But first of all, let me show you, is there any missing value or not, okay, in this data set. So for that, like uh, I will just write movies dot is null, then dot sum. So if I show you, so here in the overview itself, there are, you can say, three missing value, okay, are presented. There might be, you can say, some problems, so that's why like they didn't get the overview. So as you can see, these are some less, you can say, null values, so we can drop that. Okay, because it is not a use, so it won't impact, you can say, on our entire data set. Okay, so I will just, you can say, drop that, because these three rows I don't need. So for that, like I will be writing movies dot drop na, then I will just do in place is equal to true, because it will delete permanently. Okay, not it, it won't make a copy. Okay, I think you know what is in place. So yes, I think I have dropped. And now if I show you, if I click that, so you will see this missing value has been over. Okay, now you can see this missing, there is no missing value. Okay, it has deleted. Now if I show you the movies dot shape, so see, first of all I had, you can say, almost 4809. Now I have, you can say, 4806. Okay, so we have handled our missing value. Now let me talk about the duplicate value. Okay, so is there any duplicate value or not? So for that, like for that I will just write movies dot duplicated, and if I perform sum here, so you will see, so it is showing 0, so that means like there is no, you can say, duplicated movie. Okay, so it's fine. Now what I will do, so guys, as you have already seen, there is no duplicate value. Okay, so if I show you the data set again, so you will be seeing, let me show you. Okay, so this is our data set, but the problem is like here you can see uh, some of the columns. Okay, they are containing this kinds of bracket. Okay, so if I show you this genres columns from here, so let me show you movies dot iloc. Let me pick the first one and let me show you the genres. And if I hit enter, so you'll be seeing it's a string of list. Okay, uh, because I cannot say it is a, you can say, list here, because here you can see, if I show you the type, uh, if I show you the type, so you can see it's a string. Okay, so this is the issue. But actually, what I am going to do, I just want to, you can say, take these genres. Okay, from yeah, from these columns. Okay, I don't need the ID. I will just, you can say, fetch this name. Okay, from this columns. Okay, in every rows. Okay, I will be fetching this name, that means the genres of the movie. Okay, but the problem is like it's a, you can say, string. Okay, I cannot, you can say, iterate, you can say, through the string. Okay, like you can say, what we do in the list. Okay, so we cannot do that, but if we can just convert it to, you can say, list. Okay, and here in the list itself you will be seeing here it is containing kinds of dictionary. Okay, so we can easily, you can say, call the key and we can get the value. Okay, So how I'm going to, you can say, handle that. So let's see. So I will be just importing, you can say, one package called ast. Okay, so ast, you can say, uh, kinds of function. Okay, so it helps to, you can say, convert string to list. Okay, so I'll be importing that. Then I will create a function called, you can say, convert uh, convert genres. Okay, uh, okay, just call it convert. Then it will accept, you can say, a text. And here what I will do, I will just, you can say, uh, taking this, you can say, genres. Okay, that means this name, and I will be, you can say, appending in a list. Okay, so that's why I will define a list here. So L, it's an, you can say, empty list. Then what I'm going to do, I will just, you can say, perform a for loop. So for I in, then what I'm going to do, I will just write st dot literal eval. Okay, so literal eval, what it does, it will help you to convert your string to list. Okay, so it will help you to convert your, you can say, uh, string to list. Okay, so let me show you how it like works. So here, let me define, you can say, one empty column. And here if I call just st dot, you can say, literal. Okay, let me run that code once. Now, yeah, literal eval. And here if I pass this, you can say, string of the list, so you will be seeing. Okay, so if I pass that and if I hit enter, so yeah, now you can see it has been a list. Okay, like it was a, you can say, string, but it has converted to the list. Okay, so same things like I'm going to perform here. Okay, so let me delete that, and let me write eval. Then I will be passing my text here. And what I'm going to do, I will just, you can say, appending all the, you can say, names to my empty list. Okay, so I will just write l dot append. Then what I'm going to, you can say, append, I'm going to append this, you can say, key, that means this name. Okay, so I will just copy that name and I will paste it over there. So if I do that, then I will be returning my l, return L. Okay, so this is, you can say, kinds of helper function I have created. Now let's see. Okay, it worked or not. So I will be applying that on top of my genres column. Okay, so let me write that. So movies, then I'll be defining my genres. Then I will just apply this function on top of my genres. So apply convert. Okay, see if I apply that now, if I hit enter, so you'll be see it has like done that. Okay, uh, see, uh, like here you can see previously there were some IDs. Okay, but now we have faced just the name of this, you can see, genres. Okay, like action, adventure. Okay, then fantasy, then science fiction. Okay, so all the, you can say, genres are there right now. So what I'm going to do, I will just store it again in my data frame. So for that I will write that. And now if I hit enter, so yeah, it has saved to my data frame. Now if I show you data.head, now you can see our genres, you can say, we have fixed this issue. Okay, now similar wise, I have to fix this keyword also, because it is like same things. Okay, I mean, it contains the same things. So for that, like what I'll do, I will perform the same things. Okay, here also. So if I first of all, let me show you the keywords. So for that, like I will just copy the same code. For that, I will copy the same code and I will paste it over there. Then I will just pass my keyword here. Okay, so if I pass that and if I show you, see, this is the same things. Okay, But here what I have to fetch, okay, I have to fetch this, you can say, this name, okay, from here, because all the keywords you will be finding into the name, okay, into the name keyword. So I will be, you can say, fetching the same things, okay, from here as well. So I will just write same code here also. So uh, this is the code, and I will paste it and I will apply on top of my keyword, because it will do the same thing. And now if I show you my movies, okay, so if I hit enter, so yes, now you can see our keyword has been also fixed, okay. So yes, I have, you can say, fixed these two columns, okay. Now I have to fix this cast column also, because if I show you the cast column, just wait, let me paste that, and if I pass it here, so you can see these are my cast column, okay. uh, but what I'm going to do, okay, in cast column you will be seeing a lots of information regarding our cast, okay, like the cast ID, the character of the, like, cast, okay. So what was the character he was playing, or she was playing in the movie, okay. uh, Suppose there is a movie called, you can say, Radhe, okay. So in the Radhe movie, you can say actual cast would be Salman Khan, but in the movie itself, his name will be Radhe, okay. So you can say it's kinds of character name, but I don't need the character name. You can say I will just take the, you can say, original name of this, you can say, cast, okay. So for that, I will be, you can say, fetching the name, okay. So here you can see this is the original name, like Sam Worthington, okay, Sam Worthington. Then you can say there would be lots of character regarding, like, Sigourney Weaver, okay. So this is another, you can say, cast, okay. So I will be fetching that, but here I'm not, I'm not gonna, you can say, take all the, you can say, cast name. Here I'm just going to, you can say, take just top three cast, okay. Because if you take just top three cast, okay, so it will do your job, so you don't need the entire, you can say, cast, okay. So here what I'm going to do, I will just use the same function, okay. Same function I will use here, but I will just do some of the editing. So let's name it you can say, convert cast, okay. So then here I will be just defining my counter, because it will count till 3, okay. First of all, let me assign it 0. Then what it will do, it would be same things. Now here I will be checking, so if counter is less than 3, so what it will do, it will, you can say, append the original name of the cast. Then I will be, you can say, increase, you can say, updating my counter value. So for that I will just write counter 1. Then I'll be returning my L, okay. So I think this function should work. So let me apply it. So I will copy this entire code and I will paste it over there. Then I will just name it to my cast, okay. So here I'll be applying our convert cast, and if I show you the movie head, so it will take some time. Let's see. So guys, you can see I have converted, like, our cast, okay. Like, I have just fetched the 3 cast from this entire, you can say, cast column. So here you can see this is one cast, and this is another cast, and this is sorry, this is one cast, this is, you can say, second cast, and this is third cast, okay. Like, in this Pirates of the Caribbean, so you'll be seeing, like, Johnny Depp was the, you can say, root character. Then there was, you can say, Orlando Bloom, then Kyra nightly. Okay, then there were kite also. So yeah, I have fetched this, you can say, three cast. Now what I'm going to do, uh, I'm going to handle this crew column also, because if I show you the crew column, so let me show you. So guys, see, this is our crew column, but from this crew column, what I'm going to fetch, okay, so I'm going to just fetch the director name. Okay, so if I show you, so yes, you can see this is the director. Okay, so director, like director, we have to, like, you can say, fetch that kinds of, you can say, keys. Okay, so which contains job equal to director. Okay, so I'm going to fetch that. So here you can see, in the crew columns. Okay, so all the crew information are available, like who were the production designer. Okay, then the credit ID, then you can say the name of this person. Okay, so what was the job title of this person. Okay, then the gender. Okay, so all the information are given, but here I'm going to, like, take those, you can say, rows. Okay, which contains, you can say, job equal to director. Okay, because I only just, you can say, take this director, and I'll be using in my recommender system. Okay, so for that, what can I do? So I'll be using this, you can say, same function. Okay, same function I'll be using. So where was the function? So I'll be using the same function, then I will edit it. Okay, I will, you can say, edit in a small way. So let's name it fetch, like fetch director. Fetch director. So this is the function name. So it will take, you can say, text. Okay, then you can say this is fine. Now here, what I'm going to do here, just I will, you can say, check whether this person, you can say, is you can say, director or not. Okay, so for that, like, I'll be writing I uh, here the job title. Okay, I'll be just considering equal director. So let me copy from here. So director, I guess there should be director. Yes, this is the director. I'll be copy, and I'll be pasting here. And now I'll be just, you can say, appending the name of the director. And after getting the director, I'll be, you can say, breaking my loop, because if I get this director, okay, so I don't need to iterate the others, you can say, you can say, information. Okay, so that's why I'm breaking that. So I think okay, so what is there? Okay, so here I have to mention a colon, and here, yeah, now I think it is good. And yes, I think we can use that function. So let me copy that, and let me paste it over there, and just let me change the column name. Okay, now I'll be performing this fetch director. Okay, so if I hit enter, so you'll be seeing it will fetch the director name. Okay, from this entire information. Okay, so yes, let me show you movies hate. So yes, you can see all the, you can say, group, you can say, director. Okay, all the director name. Okay, it has, like, fetch, okay, from this entire information. Yes, so we have done our most of the work, but there is another problem. Okay, so what is the problem? Because see here, what I'm trying to do. Okay, I'm just trying to, you can say, uh, generate some kinds of keys. Okay, so some kinds of, you can say, tags here. Okay, so I will just concatenate all the tags. Okay, all the information, then I'll be, you can say, convert it to a embeddings. Okay, like you can say, I'll be converting to a, you can say, uh, vectorized form. Okay, like in NLP, what you do usually. So for that, like, you can say, uh, here you can see this is the overview, but except overview, here you will be seeing all the, you can say, information you can say are presented in a list format. So if I want to concatenate that, okay, so I need all the information in a list format. Okay, so then I can, you can say, concatenate that very easily. Okay, but here in the overview, so if I show you the overview, so let me show you the overview once. So I'll be copying that, and if I pass it here the overview, so see, it's a, you can say, string format. Okay, it's a kind of string format, but it here, like, I have to convert it to a list. Okay, then I can concatenate this, I mean, these are the columns, okay, together. So for that, what I'm going to do, I will just write here one, you can say, code, one line of code. So I'll write movies, then from the movies itself, I'll, you can say, uh, from on this overview, then I'll be defining my movies, then again overview, then here I will apply, you can say, a lambda function. So what it will do, it will take each and every, you can say, word, and it will, you can say, uh, separating by the comma itself. Okay, and it will store in a list. So for that, like, I will be like writing lambda x, then x dot split. Okay, x dot split. So if I write that function, now if I show you the movies dot head, so if I hit enter, so you can see now our overview, okay, columns, you can say, has been in a list format. Okay, now I can concatenate them very easily. Okay, now if I show you the overview column, so here you can see uh, each and every word, okay, has been separated by the comma itself. Okay, because at the end, I need this kinds of, you can say, tags. Okay, these kinds of words for generating, you can say, vectorized form. Okay, so that's why now what I'm going to do, if I show you the movies again, so here you can see there is a problem with this, you can say, some of the columns, like uh, here you can see, if I talk about this, you can say, cast. Okay, so here you can see this cast has been, you can say, there is a space in the name. Okay, so suppose this name is like Sam, or Thington. Okay, Sam or Thington, he is a, you can say, one of the, you can say, cast of this movie, but here you can see in the crew itself, there you can find also Sam. Okay, so if I, like, you can say, perform the counter vectorizer, okay, on top of this cast and crew column, so what it will do, it will separate this, you can say, it will consider this is this as a, you can say, separate word, and this as a separate word. Okay, but although these are same name. Okay, but it will, like, think like these are different word itself. Okay, so if you, like, you can say, pass a movie, and if it, like, related to this, you can say, Sam, so it will get confused, like, which, like, uh, which Sam, okay, it should recommend. Okay, that Sam or that Sam. Okay, so that would be a confusion in our model. So for that, what I'm going to do, I will just, you can say, remove that space. Okay, and I will like, you can say, write it like that. Okay, so if it is like that, Sam or Thington, so what I'll be writing, I will just, you can say, converting it to Sam or Thington. Okay, so like that. So this is the task. Okay, I have to perform, and not only this cast column, I'll be performing it also a crew column also, then keywords also. Okay, then genres also, because I don't need, you can say, this space. Okay, I have to, like, you can say, convert it to a meaningful, you can say, word. Okay, so let me do that. So for that, like, you can say, I'll be creating a function, so called, I'll give the function name remove space, and it will, you can say, take our, you can say, this word, it will take this word. So I will just mention it to word, and after getting the word, so what it will do, it will store it uh, in an empty list. Okay, so I will just, you can say, performing for loop here for I in word, Then I'll be just appending all the you can say without space word in our empty list. So I'll be just writing l dot append, and here I will be just you can say replacing the space, okay, without space. Okay, so replace, so space I will be replacing without space here. Okay, and after performing that I'll be returning my l return l. Okay, so this is the helper function I have created. So let me apply on top of this you can say columns. Okay, so I'll be copy you can say that code from here. Then I'll be first of all performing on top of my cast, remove space, and similar wise I will be like performing on top of my others column. Okay, like you can say crew, then genres also. And then I have also this keyword, so I'll be also applying on top of this keyword. So I think these are the column. Okay, I have to perform that. So if I now hit enter, so yeah, I think it has like done the work. So if I show you the movie right now, movie.hate, so see, now there is no space, okay, between the name. Okay, now uh, it can like consider this as a one name, okay, and this as a one name. Okay, so that is the things like I'm just trying to, we can say, explain. Okay, and I think you got the idea what I'm trying to do. uh, so now and now what I'm going to do, I will just, you can say, concatenate, you can say, all the, you can say, information together, and I will create just one column, okay, which would be tags. Okay, because at the end I'm just generating some kinds of tags here. Okay, so if I have the tags, so I can use that tags, okay, for my recommender system. So here what I'm going to do, I will just concatenate all these you can say features. Okay, then I will be generating a new column which is tags. Okay, so for that, like, I'll be just writing movies, and then in the, you can say, data set itself, I'll be creating one column which is tags. Then in the tags itself, I'll be just, you can say, performing this concatenation operation. So here I will concatenate my overview, then plus movies, my genres, then plus movies, my keywords, plus movies, my cast, and similar wise our crew. Okay, so yes, I will be concatenating these columns. Okay, now if I hit enter, so if I show you the movies, so see, there would be a new columns, okay, which will contain the tags. Okay, so all the tags would be there. So if I show you the tags here, from here, what it contains. See, now all the, you can say, tags are available. Okay, all the tags are available because here we have concatenated all this you can say information together. Okay, now we can easily perform this, you can say, counter vectorizer on top of that. But before that, what I need to do, I need to, you can say, just remove this you can say unnecessary columns as of now, because all the information are presented in our tags column. Okay, then after you can say removing this you can say unnecessary information, I will be you can say convert it you can say to string again. Okay, because if I pass it to my counter vectorizer, okay, so it will convert in a you can say specific word. Okay, it will convert, it will take in you can say a specific word, and it will perform the counter counter you can say on top of that. Okay, so that's why I have to convert it to a you can say string. Okay, like to a paragraph again. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I will just you can say create a new df, then I'll be picking up my this in I'll be picking up my you can say important feature from here. So I'll be just picking my movie id, then I'll be picking you can say title, then I'll be picking this tags. Okay, so these are the three columns I just need. So here I'll be taking my you can say important features, okay, from this entire data frame. And if I show you right now the head of this new data frame, so see this is our you can say necessary information, okay, for our recommender system. Now what I'm going to do, here you can see this you can say kinds of list format. Okay, and every words you can say are separated with this comma. Okay, but here for the counter vectorizer we don't like need this kinds of format. Okay, we have to convert it to a paragraph. Okay, so for that, like what I'm going to do, I will just you can say perform you can say one line of code here. So I'll be performing new df. Okay, in my new df I'll be changing in my tags. So here I'll be defining my tags, then again I'll be performing new df, then tags, then I'll be apply one lambda function here. Okay, I think lambda x, and here I'll be joining you can say my all the words, okay, together through a space. Okay, so join x. Okay, so this is the code I'll be performing. And now if I show you my new df dot head, so here you'll be see uh, yeah, now here you can see all the information you can say has converted now you can see all the information have converted to a paragraph format. Okay, so if I show you let me show you that. So okay, here, okay, this is my new df dot tags. See, now all the information you can say converted to this paragraph format. Okay, now I can pass it to my counter vectorizer very easily. But there is a problem. So here you can see some of the you can say words is some of the word is containing the upper character, or some of the words containing the lower character. Okay, so I have to fix that. I have to convert it to a lowercase. Okay, because it is recommended whenever you are working with this textual data. So here I will be converting to lowercase. So for that, like, I will be writing my new df tags, then again new df tags, then apply lambda function uh, x dot lower. Okay, so it will convert it to a lowercase. And now if I show you my new df dot sample, Okay, let me show you the head. So see, it has converted to, you can see, lowercase. Okay, so if I run it again, so see, it has converted to lowercase. Okay, so yes, this was some pre-processing step I have performed. Okay, now I'm going to talk about like what I'm going to do, okay, by using this data. Okay,